Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your new chapter of Moral Science, that is, chapter 3, The Jealous Minister. Students, jealous means feeling angry because somebody is showing interest in other thing rather than you or your things. Okay? And minister means a head of government department. Okay, so now let's start the chapter. This story is about Emperor Akbar and his minister. One of his minister named Birbal. Akbar was very proud of Birbal because he was very clever and sharp-minded. One minister in Akbar's court was very jealous of Birbal. Once he complained to Akbar, "Your Majesty, there are many ministers to advise you, but you only listen to Birbal. All the ministers feel that you are not listening to them." ये स्टोरी एक राजा अकबर और उसके मंत्रियों की थी। अकबर के एक मंत्री का नाम बिरबल था। अकबर को बिरबल पर बहुत गर्व था क्योंकि वह बहुत चालाक और बुद्धिमान था। एक मंत्री अकबर के कोर्ट में बिरबल से बहुत जलता था। एक दिन उसने अकबर को बोला कि यहाँ बहुत सारे मिनिस्टर्स हैं एडवाइस देने के लिए, पर आप किसी की नहीं सुनते। आप सिर्फ बिरबल की ही सुनते हैं। सब मिनिस्टर्स को अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि आप सिर्फ बिरबल की ही सुनते हैं। Then Akbar thought, I should prove all ministers about Birbal's cleverness and sharp mind. Just then there was a sound of marriage procession going by. So Akbar told to his ministers, "Go and find out who is getting married." So the minister went to find out and came back with the information. Then Akbar sent Birbal and asked him to find who was getting married. As soon as Birbal went, Akbar asked to the minister that where are they going after their marriage. So the minister replied that, "Your Majesty, you asked me to find out that who was getting married." Soon Birbal returned and Akbar asked him the same question that he has asked to other minister. फिर अकबर ने सोचा कि मुझे प्रूफ करना चाहिए कि सब मिनिस्टर में बिरबल की चालाकी और उसकी बुद्धिमानी को। फिर उनको एक आवाज़ सुनाई दी कि कहीं शादी हो रही है। अकबर ने मिनिस्टर को बोला कि जाओ देखो कि किसकी शादी हो रही है। तब मिनिस्टर गया और इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके आया। फिर अकबर ने बीरबल को कहा कि जाओ और पता करो कि किसकी शादी हो रही है। तुरंत बीरबल चला गया और अकबर ने मंत्री से पूछा कि वे लोग शादी के बाद कहाँ जा रहे थे। तब मंत्री ने कहा, राजा जी, आपने मुझे भेजा था कि ये पता करो कि किसकी शादी हो रही है, ये नहीं कि वे लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं शादी के बाद। फिर बिरबल आया। तब अकबर ने उससे भी वही पूछा जो दूसरे मंत्री से पूछा था। Birbal immediately replied, Your Majesty, the married couple is traveling to Allahabad. After listening to Birbal, Akbar turned to the minister and told him, "It's not enough to do your duty. You should also find out more about the thing." Birbal found out more than you did. Now, do you understand why I usually listen to him? Because he is very useful to me. The minister learnt his lesson and he never questioned बीरबल्स इम्पोर्टेंस अगेन। बीरबल तुरंत बोला, राजा जी, शादी के बाद वे सब इलाहाबाद जा रहे हैं। उसकी बात सुनकर अकबर मंत्री की तरफ मुड़ा और बोला कि यह काफ़ी नहीं है कि तुम सिर्फ अपना काम करो, तुम्हें और भी पता करना चाहिए चीज़ों के बारे में। बीरबल तुमसे ज़्यादा पता करता है, इसलिए मैं उसकी बात हमेशा सुनता हूँ। वह मेरे लिए बहुत काम का है। तब वह मिनिस्टर सबक सीख लिया। फिर वह कभी भी बीरबल पर उंगली नहीं उठाया। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now the explanation of this chapter is completed. Hope you understood this chapter. Moral of the story is that we should never be jealous from anyone. हमें किसी से भी ईर्ष्या नहीं करनी चाहिए। Okay? Students, I will give you the question answers in your WhatsApp group. Okay, now come to exercise part. 1. Write jealous under the correct speech bubble. Here are some sentences given below and we have to write jealous under the sentences which shows jealousy. Number 1. She always gets the bigger piece of cake. Why not me? This sentence shows jealousy or not? Yes, it is showing jealousy. Okay? Write jealous under it. Okay? Next number. I hope she gets chosen for the play. She is a good actor. So, this sentence is simple. So, leave it blanks. Okay? Next number. I am glad he stood first. He really works very hard. This is not showing jealousy. Leave it also blank. Okay? Next number. He must have cheated and won the game. This sentence is showing jealousy. Right here, jealous. Okay? Now, this question is completed. Come to next question. Number 2. Draw a jealous face and happy face. Here, you have to draw jealous face and happy face. Okay? So, this question is your homework. Last question is, write down the lesson you learnt in a line. Your answer is, we should never be jealous from anyone. हमें किसी से भी jealous नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay? So, you complete this in your book. Now, this chapter is completed. Thank you.